Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Citroen Dispatch. On to settings. We're already on Bluetooth there, but I'll just go back. Settings, Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom. Over here, click phone, Bluetooth search. There's no phone connected and there's no phones in the system. So otherwise it would come up with Bluetooth telephony. So Bluetooth search, here we go, searching for Bluetooth devices. It's already found Citroen here. I'm going to wait for that to finish, see if it picks my iPhone up. But as I say, my iPhone has already picked up this system. Blue band coming across. Citroen's disappeared off here. I'm assuming it's not paired itself. There we go, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, so click on that. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, confirm the code 269759. There you go, 269759, pair, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Citroen, that's it, all connected.